Hey world, how you doing? You ain't gonna believe this one. This unit is a center unit, okay? And it is actually running, if you can read the tag, the date. I'll try and turn my phone around here so the thing will come out right side up. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so you should be able to read that date. The B1298, it's a 1998 compressor. Thing's older than my truck. That's saying something. And this thing, let me turn this around again. Sorry about the hand, guys. it was doing the click of death, but I went for the RCO 210 kit, and she's going, man. I cannot believe it. 5.3 amps. This thing is an old dog. You know, these steel ones, this is right beside the ocean. I mean, I could throw a tennis ball in the water from here. These steel condensers hold up better, in my opinion, than the aluminum ones. So if you guys are ever doing ocean locations, this is an all steel condenser. These things, like I said, this thing's been here 20 years. And it still doesn't have any signs of leaks. You know, they get all rusty looking. I've seen them on boats, like inside of boats, and they just kick ass, these steel ones. So if you guys are ever looking for units, the steel ones are the way to go for ocean application. Not these aluminum. This thing will probably be junk in 5 years. That aluminum just goes to shit with the salt air. But this thing's still running. I can't believe it started up. I cannot believe this thing started up. I was hopeful when I saw this capacitor leaking all to hell, and yeah, that thing's wasted. Major leaker, but no numbers on it, of course. 20 years old, probably original. I looked for a capacitor on my truck. I didn't have that particular size on the truck. I forget what size it's supposed to be, but it's like, I don't know, 138 or 183 or something. I don't know, I don't care. Anyways, I didn't have it. I had 3 other start capacitors, and they weren't close enough, in my opinion, to do it. So went for the RCO 210 kit, and the guy's running. It's Thursday night, man, Thursday afternoon, so start relay looks all right, but I'm gonna, that's an old freaking compressor, I don't know. I had good luck with the RCO 210s, even though some of you guys may say, hey, this is a quarter horse, why you put a half horse kit on it? It's because it works, man. I hate the smaller kits. I don't use the 410 kits or the other kits, they don't work. RCO 210 kit is the only way to go, man. This thing will go for probably, if it lasts, the compressor lasts another 5 years, the kits will last like 5 years. Come back in every 5 years and put a new RCO 210 kit on it, away you go, you know? It's like, anyways, this thing's going. I'm out of here, man. Customer's gonna be happy as shit. So that's cool. So that's cool. Glad to be able to get them up and running. It'll die though. I mean, it's 20 years old. I'll keep you guys informed. But yeah, got some old dogs. Oh, that one's new. Somebody put one in there. I think I know who put that one in. And this is an old dog. Date on that thing is a K30. What are we looking at? 06 or something, I think, on that. Yeah. Yeah. So. Old dogs. Here she goes. Lots of fun. Hey, now I just gotta weatherproof that sucker. Dig it.